Welcome to another day of Up and Running with PicSpotr. As a photographer, your clients are the lifeblood of your business. So today I want to show you how to add clients individually and also show you how to import them from a spreadsheet. To add an individual client, first log into your PicSpotr account, go to Clients, and then click New Client button. Fill in as much detail about the client as possible, but only the first name, last name, and email are required. Then click Save, and you're done. Once a client is added, a client profile is created where you are able to see all their shoots, contracts, questionnaires, and invoices. Now, most of us have a list of clients already, so you've made it possible for you to take that list and import it. Let's go back to Clients and then click the Import button. First, download the CSV template. Open the template in Microsoft Excel, then copy your client data into the correct columns of the file and save it. Once you're done, go back to PicSpotr and click Next. We now need to upload your client's list. Click Choose File, select your new file, and once the file is uploaded, all you need to do is hit Complete. Now go back to Clients and you should see all your clients successfully imported. That's it for today. Look out for tomorrow's episode of Up and Running with PicSpotr. And as always, if you want to jump ahead, just visit our YouTube channel. See you tomorrow.